Hello and welcome, it's Gillykube and I'm today doing acrylic pour on glass. These are little tea light, they call them tea light candle holders. They're an odd shape. They've got a, they're an odd shape, so I have to sit them on a cup to pour, because when I can sit them on the cup, it's also very easy to grab the cup after and squeeze it and it just comes off dead easy. So that's why I use the cups underneath. So yeah, it's gonna have a little tea light, a little candle in it, but who wants boring glass when you can have acrylic colour over it? So what I'm gonna do first of all to prep the glass for the acrylic paint is I'm just using some isopropyl. This one's 99% pure alcohol. So I just spray it on and I just wipe it off. It'll just prep my glass up for me on the outside where I'm gonna pour. So I'm only pouring obviously on the outside of the glass, so it's only the outside that needs prepping. Now with anything that you pour, if you pour in acrylics on glass, you definitely can't put them in the dishwasher. You can absolutely give them a wipe over with a damp soapy cloth once they've been sealed in varnish or resin, but you can't ever put them in a dishwasher because the paint will just obviously peel off. So this is just my prep I do for the glass. I used to do an undercoat and do this and do that and buy special products, and I found that the glass, as long as it's clean, the acrylic paint with the pouring medium of the glue in it, it just makes it stick to the glass, so I don't have a problem. But yeah, they're a bit of a weird shape, aren't they? I just got them from our discount store, so oh, that was it. I've got them on my spinner, not that I'm going to spin them, just so it's easier, but what I'll do is I'll put a canvas underneath so any of the paint doesn't get wasted. I usually put a canvas underneath to catch the paint, or even if I haven't got a canvas underneath, I've always got a sheet underneath. So maybe what a few people don't see or know, I'll scrape the paint back up with a spatula into a cup and use the leftover paint as a base coat for something else. So you don't really waste any paint if you've got common sense, you know, to do something else with it. So I'm going to let the paint come onto this canvas, then I can make a little canvas in the same colours, and no paint will be wasted. So those are prepped up ready for the paint. So I might move them aside just while I'm going to get a little jug. Maybe just that size to pour my paints into, and in preparation for this super duper pour. Rightio. I've just this time, because I usually use pre-made pouring paints, but this time I'm not. These are, oops, that's a fair bit of paint there. These are my paints that I've just mixed up with the pouring medium that's in the drop down box underneath. So that one is dark sea. I'm going to do kind of oceany colours. And this one is called Tahiti. They're all global colours. So then I'm going to pour some of the cool blue on top of that. It's always nice pouring on glass things, especially if you might have things sitting in the cupboard at home that you haven't used, and that you think, well, I don't use them, so it's a no-brainer. You give it a go at acrylic pouring over. So this one is called Cool Mint, and then I will. Oh, it's my dog dreaming. This one is the turquoise. Dreaming Benson. He's having a good old dream. This one's just a little bit of leftover paint that I have left. It was white with a bit of gold in it, so I'm going to just pour all of that in, because it will all get poured poured over my little tea lights. A bit more of the dark sea. Let's see how I'm going here. Okay. I've got some gold, but I'm not sure whether I should put the gold in or what I'm going to. There you go. She's done it. Let's just see how this goes. If I need more paint, I've got more there, so I'll just start with one, pouring on one. See how we go with it. Why not? Get a bit carried away here, aren't I? But never mind, never mind. Right here, I'm going to get my paint out of the way. I'm going to just give that one with a skewer, one or two twizzles around. There we go. Not to mix it so it goes, I obviously don't want it to go muddy, but it's gorgeous in there. Look at that. Got a lot of just the blue on the bottom, so I might have to stop and add more paint to that. So there you go. I've got this is a sticker, but it's on the inside, so I'm not worried about that because you will not be able to see it. So I'm going to just do like a ring pour on it and let the paint flow down the sides. Oh my goodness, that's gorgeous. I might just let that pour over that. The colours are just beautiful. Oh, look at that. Wow, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. A bit more of that on this. Oh, I'm losing all those nice greens. Where's it gone? Oh, wow, they're very nice. So really, I only need to just let that pour down, and it absolutely does stick to the canvas. So as you can see, I can show you all the way around now. I've got that on this turntable-y thing. I'm getting some absolutely gorgeous effects down the one side of that. I don't want to pour any more on because I don't want to lose those gorgeous colours. They're going to go lovely in my new studio. I'm going to have my little candles burning there. Now, that's absolutely fine if I left it on the canvas for a while, but if I want to take it off, I'll just pinch those cups underneath and I can move the cups off. Maybe I should do that just to show you. So I'm gonna get a spatula. I'm gonna grab the back. So I'm gonna just move the cups off so I can do something with the canvas. So hopefully, I'm just putting the cups aside because they're done. I'm not doing anything. Ooh! So just grab your cup underneath. I'm just putting those down very carefully. And so the paint will just work its way down there. Those are absolutely gorgeous. And look at the colours in that. That's left gorgeous. So to finish that off, I think I'm just going to put some white on round the very edge of the canvas. This is really nice as a gift too, because you can give the small canvas as a gift with the tea lights, and it's a really beautiful personal gift, and it's very reasonably priced to do because the tea lights, I mean, you can pick them up in a charity shop or something, but they're only a couple of dollars new anyway, and that's Australian dollars. So I'm pouring the white, and I'm going to then just continue with what I have left. So really, that wasn't that much paint, but it certainly looks like it now. Rightio, that's my measuring jug. These colours are just stunning, stunning, stunning. Just gently tilt it. So, just covering your canvas. I have put some foil over my spinner just to protect the spinner. Then I'll just take the foil off and it's all nice and clean, don't have to do anything with it. And if you can collect the foil up off the spinner, then collect the paint up from the spinner to put into another jug as a cup or something, save it, then that's all good. Actually, that needs to be up a little bit, otherwise it's going to stick, but anyway, pop it there for now. That is absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to just finger pop my edges so I've got nice clean covered edges, and then I'm going to whiz over it with the heat one. That's beautiful, absolutely beautiful. So you can absolutely leave that exactly like that. That's gorgeous. I'm going to just get a small baking tray to put that canvas on so it doesn't end up drying, sticking to my bottom of that. So I'll just move that, and there you go. So I will put photos up of the dry pieces and the dry canvas, so look out for those at the end, but I'm super duper happy with that. That's getting some lovely kind of cloud pearls in it. So thank you for joining me, and I will see you again tomorrow. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Love doing these little glass tea lights, so bye for now.